Welcome to yet another enriching study at Spiritual Bites. The compelling question emerges, in the face of adversity, how does one stand tall? How does one summon the strength to go against the grain? The saga of Daniel in chapter 3 imparts a timeless lesson, offering a glimpse into the core of courage and resilience. As we delve deeper into this story, let's also go through the powerful words from Psalm 46, 3 and 1 Corinthians 16:13, for they beautifully complement our exploration, providing a solid foundation to this enlightening journey. In the land of Babylon, a mighty king demanded absolute loyalty. Nebuchadnezzar, in his grandeur, erected a golden statue, commanding all to bow before it. But amidst the crowd stood three men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who chose a different path. "Kneel before the image of the king. His command is absolute. We cannot obey this command. Our allegiance is to a higher power." In their unwavering resolve, they faced adversity head-on. Their faith and conviction remained unshaken, even in the face of imminent danger. The king, furious at their refusal, orders the furnace to be heated 7 times hotter than usual. "What do I see? Did we not cast 3 men into the fire? But now I see 4, unharmed and walking within the flames, and the 4th looks like the Son of God." In their unwavering faith, they found themselves not alone in the inferno. Their courage was met with divine presence, shielding them from harm. Their resilience and unwavering faith in the face of adversity were rewarded. Their courage to stand for their beliefs despite the consequences became a testament to the power of conviction. Standing tall in the face of adversity requires unwavering courage, unyielding conviction, and a faith that remains unshaken. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego remind us that at all times the greatest strength lies in standing true to God, even when the flames of adversity burn brightest. So now is an opportunity to make it plain and stand true, though the heavens fall. Remember that with God you are the majority.